Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KYNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. After today's price movement, pretty rough looking chart. There's still a little bit of hope left for the bulls, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But as far as, let me put it this way. No price can go straight up, straight up, straight up. Pullbacks happen. Pullbacks are healthy. But there does reach a point where it's like, okay, you pulled back enough. Okay, seriously, you've really pulled back enough. It's time to stop. And that's pretty much where the charts currently sits at right now. And the quote-unquote time to stop mark is right down here at the pink line, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period before, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, you want to see the price stay above it. So that's why I say that the bulls do still technically have a chance, because if they can stay above that level, then that would give the overall chart, keyword being overall, an opportunity to build a higher base. And I say and really emphasize, the overall point, because I get it. If you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought there, or you bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks terrible. But if you care about the big picture of things, the price, like I said, does still have an opportunity to build a higher base, because if you kind of look at it like this, and I'm not saying this is going to occur, but let's just say that the price does indeed go down to the pink line and it holds and then starts to work its way back upwards. That would give you a set of lows there. You'd have lows right here. You even have lows down there before things woke up. And if you picture those as stair steps, then again, emphasis on big picture. From the big picture perspective, you would still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. However, if the price comes down here to that pink line, and then just it's like a warm knife through butter and continues on down, well, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back to essentially where it was right there before that big move happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. So like I said, things are looking relatively rough, but the overall chart does still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So we'll see if the price can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.